Had an event today in India and they launched two products. One is the Realme C53 or 33 phone. I'm not too much interested in that as it's a sub 10,000 rupees phone and it's a rubbish phone. They've launched tablet though, that is known as the Redmi Pad 2. It's available for pre-order from July 26 and will be on general sale from August 1st. Realme Pad 2 has a 11.5 inch 2K resolution screen which is 2000 12,000 1200 pixels IPS LCD display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. There will be a 8 megapixel on the front and 8 megapixel on the back. Rumors said there will be a 20 megapixel on the back. I don't know whether rumors came up. It has a fingerprint scanner on the side. It runs on Helio G99 chipset, which is a 6 nanometer chipset with 6 or 8 GB of RAM, 128 to 56 GB storage, which can be expanded by micro SD card. It has 4 speakers with Dolby Atmos support. It has 8360 mAh battery and has 33-watt charger in the box. You'll get a LTE across the variant. It's available in inspiration green or inspiration gray color. The base model is around 19,999 rupees, while the version top model will be around 22,900. They have not mentioned anything about the OS updates, and you will get a dynamic RAM option expansion, so you will get theoretically 16 GB of RAM up to on this. It's a very well priced tablet. I hope they can give maybe at least 2 years of Android updates so that it can for Xiaomi. Xiaomi launched a brilliant tablet this year in India, Redmi Pad 6, but they have not mentioned anything about the Android updates. Wish Realme will give at least 2, if not 3.